Hi view. Today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage and green pea rice. It is a very innovative and tasty rice preparation. At the same time it is very healthy. So let me show you what are the ingredients we need to prepare this rice preparation. So here is the rice. You have to, while preparing the rice, while boiling the rice, you need to keep in mind it should not be overcooked, and it is very cold, so when you mix with the cabbage it will not break. So this is the shredded cabbage, this is sliced onion, green peas, chopped green chilies, finely chopped ginger, turmeric powder, red chili powder, lemon juice, vegetable oil, sugar, chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, garam masala powder, salt to taste, and for tempering we need dried red chili. This is coriander seeds whole, cumin seeds whole, mustard seeds whole. This is curry leaves. Here I used a dried one. You can use also the fresh one. That will be much better. I will recommend. This is urad dal and this is chana dal. I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So here's the pot which I've already heated it. Now I'm going to add the oil. So now I'm going to add the temperings, the whole dried red chili, the mustard seeds, coriander, all the temperings we can put all together, along with the dals, and we have to stir till it starts to pop. The mustard starts to pop up and the dals become lightly brown in color. So now the dal has become lightly brown in color and very nice aroma is coming of all the temperings. Now is the time to add the chopped ginger, and again we will fry a little bit till the smell of ginger comes out. So now is the time to add the sliced onion till the onion becomes slightly brown in color. So the now onion has turned little yellowish in color. Right at this moment I will add little salt. Later we will add some more according to the taste. I will add the powdered red chili. I will always say it is always on your taste. If you need more spicy food you can add a little bit more. It's all up to you, the spiciness of the food. And again you have to stir a little bit, and at this time we will add the shredded cabbage. And now it will take a very long time to cook the cabbage till all the water of the cabbage gets evaporated and the oils comes out. Till that time we need to cook. So now you can see the cabbage has reduced, all the water has evaporated, it's become almost dry, and the oils, you can see the oils is shiny, so the oils has come out. Now is the time to add the rest of the ingredients. I'll add the green peas, the chopped green chili, I'll add the lemon juice, sugar, the garam masala powder, and the chopped coriander. Again we will give a little good stir. So now all the ingredients except the rice is cooked well and get mixed. Now I will add a little more salt. So salt and the spiciness of the food, it's all depend on your taste. You can add according to your taste. So now is the time to add the rice. So you need to be very careful while adding the rice. rice, and while stirring it, so now reduce the heat and stir very gently so that the rice doesn't get break, and mix properly along with all the other vegetables. So now the rice and all the other spices and cabbage, everything got mixed together, and it's almost done. Now I'll show you how to present. How is the presentation? So now the cabbage and green pea rice is ready to serve. You can also make this with your leftover rices. You can enjoy this with fresh yogurt. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, hit like, share and give me feedback. Thank you.